Sanibona bafethu uvane lo sokuneyindaba engifuna ukukhuluma ngazo lo ade ngingafuni ukuyi-entertainer namhlanje ngiyizwile. So le indaba lezi kuthiwa allegedly kuthiwa iOrlando Pirates isifile i-report against the-FC Limpopo, not regarding the way their players were acting. Not ngale treatment le iOrlando Pirates eyayithola ngosikhathi iyodlala le eDRC. No. Le ndaba le ihlukileke. Njoba ihlukile nje le ndaba le kuthiwa ucoach we-FC Limpopo wabhenwa, not ukubhenwa per se, but wasuspendwa iCAF ukuthi angabi part of ama-games eCAF last September. I think it was last year if I'm not mistaken. Njoba nje wasuspendwa uCAF ukuthi angabi within ama-games eCAF. Lokho kwenza lolu daba lube bucayi kakhulu. Yebo. Kwenza lolu daba lube bucayi kakhulu because uma usulandele ama-rules eCAF, ama-rules eCAF azokustata lokho. Azokustata nje lokho ukuthi umuntu mesuspendiwa akumele abreake lawo ma-rules lawo. Wena okhumbula icala likaTebogo Mokoena uthi Bafana Bafana. If you remember the case yaTebogo Mokoena uthi Bafana Bafana, you will remember ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yabo, uzokhumbula ukuthi kwenzakalani. But ke lolu daba lolu bafethu kuthiwa uma ingasi investigate le ndaba le ingadala iOrlando Pirates ukuthi iqualify for iCAF Champions League. Ingadala ukuthi iOrlando Pirates iqualify because lokhu ngeke kiwe kuye kwe-fine. iFC Limpopo ngezwe fine izovele nje ikhishwe because they broke the rules. Bazoshaya iwalkover kuyona iFC Limpopo ngalawo manye amazwe. But ke mina ngokwami I don't think le ndaba lezi ziyiqiniso because angakazizwe indaba eziyiqiniso ngempela ezishow ukuthi iOrlando Pirates ilayili complain. Yawo mase ngithola lezo indaba lezo, yes ngiyayibona le post le, but mina I need proof. Yabo, angifuni ukuba leyo fan leyo ezoba nethemba ngihlala ethembeni. Yabo, kumele ama-fans accept ukuthi yes we lost. Yabo, kumele si-accept. Mhlawumbe ke the boardroom drama ingaba khona. Yabo, bahambise ama-cases, baloga ama-complaint. Mhlawumbe lokho kungenzeka, but as fans we must accept ukuthi hayi siphumile and we must look forward to another challenges esingawafacea kule season le. Yabo, to be honest ngamnandi ngempela siyibona iOrlando Pirates qualifier, but iqualify ngalolu hlobo ingeke kube mnandi. Yabo, it doesn't taste nice siqualify ngalolu hlobo, but it would be very very good for iOrlando Pirates ukuthi qualify. Thina nje as ama-fans kumele siyi-accept bafethu i-defeat siqhubeke. Yabo, but ke wangitshela ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngale ndaba le. Do you think iOrlando Pirates kumele ilokhu complain? Do you think kumele siqhubeke siye phambili siyiphushe lento le? Because mesiyiphusha, believe me, iOrlando Pirates izoyiwina le case. Uma iphushwa kungenzeka ukuthi iwine. Yabo, kungenzeka ukuthi iwine. Lento le ngikhumbuza icase yaTebogo Mokoena. Yabona futhi icase yaTebogo Mokoena iyohlala isifundo kuwo wonke ama-club akhona nama-football administrations akhona ukuthi kumele uba-check abadlali, kumele u-check abadlali abasuspended. Because yabo lento yebhola abafana yanitshela, but nje ngingakusho ningalibeki ithemba la kakhulu kunina kule case le. Yabo, mhlambe nje icase le ezenzelwe, yabo mhlambe umuntu nje lo obezama ukususa yabo uchuku. Ningalibeki kakhulu ithemba lenu kule case le bafethu. I don't think into enzothini ephathekayo. Yabo, I don't think into ephathekayo, but if we go forward with this case, I think iOrlando Pirates inayo i-chance ukuthi iwine, judging by the rules akhona kwi-CAF and judging by the recent events eswabonile kwiBafana Bafana. I think iOrlando Pirates they have ithuba lokuthi liwe.